At this point, we need to know some very basic PHP to get started. Please be patient if you already know this, because we'll soon get into more complex material quite quickly. Let's open Bluefish and get started now. Notice it starts up in our web server home directory, htdocs, with a script window called Untitled0. Go to your Snippets pane by clicking on the Snippets button, expand PHP Training, and expand the subfolder Basics. Double-click on PHP Tags Simple. This snippet pastes the simplest PHP script into the script window. It comprises only the PHP tags. Notice that the snippet has been constructed to position the cursor between the tags, ready to enter new PHP code. We've already seen this basic format for the PHP script file, but for any useful application we need to keep strict control over every component. One essential way of doing this is to comment any code we write. The comment is the most important PHP code construct you'll learn. Every beginner thinks they'll remember what their code was for and why it was written. Beginners do this, then spend most of their time trying to decipher their own code. Professionals always comment anything but the most basic code as they go. It's difficult, it requires discipline, but it's well worth the effort. A PHP comment can be a set of one or more lines of text, each preceded by a double forward slash, or it can be any block of text beginning with a /* and ending in a */. That's a /* and ending in an */. To illustrate the first type of comment, position your cursor between the PHP tags, as it is already, and select the snippet PHP Training Examplets Comment Simple. Double-click to paste it into the code pane. You can see the double forward slash at the start of each line. To illustrate the second type of comment, position your cursor under the last comment line and select the snippet PHP Training Examplets Comment Block. Double-click to paste the snippet into the code pane. Again, you can see the /* at the start and the */ at the end of the comment block. It's customary, but not mandatory, to start each line of a comment block with an asterisk to make it clear that it's all a comment. We'll delete all these comments now and choose Comment Block 2, simply to illustrate that this is the customary way of doing a comment in a block with an asterisk at the start of each line. It just makes things clearer. So, whenever we create a new script file, we really should start by describing the file, at very least its name, who wrote it and when. We'll now delete this whole script. It's only an untitled temporary script after all. You can do this by right-clicking in the code pane and selecting Select All, then right-clicking again and selecting Delete. From now on, I'll refer to snippets by their path. They're all in the folder PHP Training, so I won't bother with that bit. Instead of saying expand the snippets folder Basics and select the snippet PHP Tags Documented, I'll simply say open snippet Basics, PHP Tags Documented. So, open snippet Basics, PHP Tags Documented. This snippet has been constructed with parameters which cause it to open a dialog box and ask you for the values of those parameters: file name, your name, and the date. For file name, enter index.php, because this new script is going to replace our home page. Then enter your name, not mine, for the author, and your current date, and click OK. This produces a PHP script with some minimal documentation at the top.